Right, today I'm going to do a short mat work video, and this is going to be on hip mobility. So hi, I'm going to do a short video on hip mobility. So take the feet out wide, tall through the body, shoulders relaxed, core engaged, hands gently at the side. Now for this one, the pelvis stays on the mat, and we're just going to drop the knees to the center and bring it back up. Now don't worry about how far you go. If you only go a little way, that's fine, but make sure you're sitting tall through the body. You can adjust the feet to whether they're further away or closer to the body, and just drop the knees to center and bring them up. Keep breathing. Okay, one more each side. Okay, then we're going to come round to our sides. Now, if you can, come onto the elbow. So elbow underneath shoulder. And body nice and straight. So shoulder, hip, knee and ankle all in line. And we want to keep the body stacked. So we want to keep the body 90 degrees from the mat. So if it's too much to hold there, you can bend the bottom leg. Or you can come down to lie in. But if you can, come up onto the elbow. Keep lifted up out of the shoulder joint. Body stays 90 degrees to the mat. Shoulders relaxed. So chest nice and open. Flex the top foot. And we're just going to lift and lower. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. One more. Lift and lower. Then we're going to lift and pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the foot out forwards. And we're going to tap the foot down. Lift it up. Take it back. Forwards. Tap. Lift. Forwards. Tap. Lift. Take it back. Forwards. Tap. Lift. Take it back. Change. And then we're going to go one more. Give this a rub if you need to. Then we're going to bend the knee. Now, you want to try and make sure that the hip doesn't drop back as you bend the knee. We still want that hip to be stacked. Point the toe, and we're going to tap in front of the knee and behind the knee. In front of the knee, behind the knee. If you can, if you're down here, that's fine. Just make sure that knee stays pointing as much to the ceiling as you can. Keep lifted up out of the shoulder joint. Chest nice and open. Couple more. Change sides. So get yourself nice and lined up. Elbow underneath shoulder. Chest nice and open. Tall through the body. So 90 degrees to the mat. Straight line down through the body. Flex that top foot. You can have the front hand just in front, just to support. And then lift and lower. Making sure the leg doesn't rotate and be taken up by the toe. It's the side of the foot that's doing the lifting. Neck and shoulders relaxed. If you find that your leg is all of a sudden getting much higher, It's probably because your hips dropped at the top. So make sure you keep the hips stacked. If you need to, you can put the hand there. Couple more. Okay, hover the foot and we're going to pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it forward, tap it down, lift up, bring it back. Forwards, tap, up, back. Forwards, tap, up, back. Keep going, keep breathing. Got one more. Okay, from here we're going to roll onto our backs. So tuck the core in, roll down, arms come gently out to the side. Make sure the pelvis is in neutral. So if you can, the left leg goes long along the mat, right leg pointing to the ceiling. Now, if that's too much, you can either bend the left leg slightly, or you can bend the knee and do the circles with the knee. But if you can, left leg straight, right leg straight. And we're going to do small circles, dinner plate size circles. Core engaged, keep the pelvis stable. Movements coming from the hip joint. Small dinner plate size circles in one direction. And then small dinner plate size circles in the other direction. And now we're going to do car tire size circles. And in the other direction. And then I want you to do 3 circles in each direction as big as you can, or as big as your furniture will allow. And the other way. Okay, bring that knee to chest. Bring the other one in. Take the right leg long along the mat. Left leg points to the ceiling, straight as you can. Core engaged, shoulders relaxed, breathe in. Dinner plate size circles. Change direction. Keep breathing. Core engaged. Car tire size circles. Other direction. And 3 circles in each direction as big as you can. Change direction. Bring the knees to chest. Roll them in one direction. And then the other. Roll onto your side. Right leg long along the mat. Left hand comes down, gets hold of the foot or ankle on the left leg and pulls it back, quad stretch. So make sure the body's nice and straight. Head and neck relaxed. And just pull that foot towards the bum. If this is too much, you can put a scarf or something around your ankle and just pull the leg towards you. And release. And then we're going to do the other side. So roll over. Bend the right leg, get hold of the foot or the ankle, and pull the heel towards your bum, keeping the chest nice and open, nice and long through the body. And then release. Roll onto your backs and roll up to sitting. And that's just a short hip mobility workout that you can do if you get any tightness around that area. Hopefully you enjoyed it.